How to insert shape on Microsoft Word in your mobile phone. Go to Word application, tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen, and now create blank document. Tap this, and now here, you can see the arrow up on the menu below. Tap this, and go to Home. Here in Home menu, go to Insert, and now here you can see the shape. Go to Shape, and now here in Shape, there are many type of shape. The recent shape, the line, rectangles, basic shape, black arrows, equation shape, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts, and for my example, I create circle shape. So after you insert the shape, you can resize it by drag this shape. You can change the position, and you can rotate the shape, and also you can change the color by tap the fill. On the right of this fill, you can see the arrow right. Tap this, and you can see the option of colors. For my example, I set into pink, and the outline, tap the arrow right and select the color. For my example, green. And okay, we have successfully insert shape on Microsoft Word in your mobile phone.